Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. So we are here to start our second session of this week. So we were on the level 2 on Bab Misal yesterday. So level 2 we have first one is Bab Ajwaf. Bab Ajwaf have three cases. First of all, Ajwaf means central. Hafa ya hafu. Alif remains alif. Hafa means he feared. Case 2, Sara yasiru. Alif changes to ya. Sara he traveled. Qala yaqulu. Alif changes to waw. Qala he said. So we are repeating every time, every week we are doing this. So they should be in our fingertips. At least we should know the summary of that. Then we have started Bab level 2 Bab Misal. Misal means same, similar. In this chapter, all words start with similar letter, and that is wow. And there are three cases. The first case is Wahaba Yahabu. And the case, this is Zabar Zabar. We have to see the second letter, just leave the first one wow. There is a Zabar, and then the same letter Ha Mudare, that is Zabar. Zabar Zabar. Wahaba Yahabu. Then we have second case Wajada Yajidu Zabar Zer. And then we have Varitha, third case Varitha Yarithu Zer Zer. We can see here the second letter in Madi, that is Ra, that have Kathra. And when we go to Mudare, it has the same Ra has the same haraka, and that is Zer. Varitha Yarithu Zer Zer. The chapter name, the chapter why chapter is different, it has the similarity. Bab Mithal, it cannot fit on the level 1, so it is separate level. Level 2 Bab Mithal, all those words which start with similar letter, and that is wow. Wow. Wahaba Yahabu, Wajada Yajidu, and then we have Varitha Yarithu, Zer. Varitha he inherited. So before going to the next, every week we give a challenge to one participant to just summarize level 1, summarize in a minute. So I think today's participant is Muhammad Ash'ar Khan. Muhammad, are you there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay. So there are 6 chapters in level 1. The first
Can you
chapter is
speak out
Bab.
loudly, please?
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, we hear, but just speak out. Just put some efforts. That's not a problem.
Okay. Um. Okay. So there are 6 chapters in level 1. The first chapter is Bab Fataha. Fataha Yaftahu. Zabar remains Zabar. Fatah means he opened or he got victory. The second one is Bab Daraba. Daraba Yadribu. Zabar changes to Zair. Daraba means he hit. The third one is Bab Nasara. Nasara Yansuru. Zabar changes to Pesh. Nasara means he helped. Bab Sami'a. Sami'a Yasma'u. Zair changes to Zabar. Sami'a means he listened. Bab Hasiba. Hasiba Yahsibu. Zair remains Zair. Uh, Hasiba means he calculated or he computed. Bab Karuma, Karuma Yakrumu, Pesh remains Pesh. Karuma means he honored himself.
Yeah, Karuma Yakrumu, Pesh. Karuma mean he honored her. What will be the file for Karuma?
The file for Karuma, Kareem. Kareem.
Kareem. And what about Fataha? File for Fataha?
File, um, file for Fataha is Fatih.
Fatih. Thank you very much, Muhammad. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we are on the level 2. So, Brother Hassan Mamta, just would you please explain Bab Ajwaf?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Ahsan bhai.
So Ba Wajh means the middle letter, and it's the second uh, chapter, and there are three cases. The first one is Aleph remains Aleph, Khafa ya Khafu. Aleph changes to Ya, Sara Yasiru, and Aleph changes to Wa, Kala Yaqulu.
Meaning of Hafa.
Khafa he feared, Sara he traveled, Kala he said.
Thank you very much, Ahsan bhai. The second one, the second chapter, Bab Misal. Adil.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Adil. Just summarize the Bab Misal.
Uh,
There are three chapters. First one is
there are three chapters for Bab Mithal. The first one is Wahaba Yahabu uh, Fatha
Fatha Fatha.
Fatha Fatha. The second one is Wajada Yajidu Fatha Kasra. The third one is Waritha Yarithu Kasra Kasra.
Kasra Kasra. And Misal means Bab Misal. Misal
Uh,
mean
Similar
similar. Why we say it Bab Misal?
because it's
Starts with similar letter. And that is what?
uh, wow.
Wow. That's why this is called Bab Misal. Thank you. Next, Safi, are you there?
Yes.
Can you please explain Wa'adana and Wa'adna? Wa'adana and Wa'adna.
Wa'adana, it's Mali.
What is the difference between Wa'adana, Wa'adna? What is the
Wa'ada,
meaning of Wa'adana and what is meaning of Wa'adna?
Wa'adana means uh,
Just can we break Wa'adana into two words?
yes.
So it will be what? First word will be
I don't know the meaning of Wa'adana.
Wa'ada means he promised. Yesterday we did it.
Okay, so it could be Wa'ada, he promised, na us.
So Wa'adana,
He promised us.
he promised us. What about Wa'adna? If the starting word is Wa'ada,
Uh, Amr?
no, Wa'adna. Can you please do the TPI for Wa'ada?
Wa'ada, Wa'adu, Wa'adda, Wa'adum, Wa'addu, Wa'adna.
Is it Wa'adna?
Yes, so
What is the meaning of Wa'adna?
we promised.
We promise. Did you understand this? Wa'adana and Wa'adna?
Yes,
Again, Wa'adana is two words. That is
he promised us.
Wa'ada plus na. Wa'ada, he promised. This is the first word of Madi. Na, us. And Wa'adna is from the table Madi. Can you please do again the TPI of Wa'ada?
Wa'ada, Wa'adu, Wada'ta, Wada'atum, Wada'at.
Wa'adta, ya Safi. Wa'ada,
Wa'ada, Wa'adu, Wa'adda, Wa'adum, Wa'addu, Wa'adna.
Wa'adna. And Wa'adna means
We promised.
we promise. This is complete one word. Wa'adna. And this is two word. Wa'ada plus na. Next is uh, Ubaid. Thank you, Safi.
Yes,
Vajadana and Vajadna. What is the meaning of Vajadana?
Vajradana is he found us.
He found us. So Vajadana is one word or two?
Two.
Can you please break it? First is
Vajada is one word means he found, and na is us.
so Vajada he found na us. So meaning will be
He found us.
what about Vajadna?
Vajadna is last word in Madi.
Now can you please do the TPI starting from Vajada?
Vajada, Vajadu, Vajadda, Vajaddu, Vajaddu, Vajadna.
Yeah, there is a mic problem, I think. So okay, well, this is the Madi. You are saying the last word. Wajadna, wajada, wajadu, wajadta, wajadtum, wajadtu, wajadna. Wajadna, we found. And wajadana, he found us. Okay. So next, we were on the Bab Misal. Wahaba, yahabu, zabar, zabar. Then wajada, yajidu, zabar, zair. Then we have varisa, yarisu, zair, zair. Varisa mean he inherited. Ibrahim Farhan.
Yes,
Yeah.
assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can you please do the TPI for Varisa?
Warisa, he inherited. Warisa, warisu, warista, waristum, waristu, warisna. Yarisu, yarisuna. Darisu, darisuna. Arisu, narisu. Ris, la taris. Risu, la tarisu. Waris, warisun, warisin. Mawrus, mawrusun, mawrusin. Wirasa or
Which
worse.
on which level we are, Ibrahim?
Level two.
Chapter
Bad Misal.
Misal. And this is which case? First, second, third.
Third.
Third case, that is Varisa.
Yarisu.
And what is the pattern here?
Uh,
Zair.
Fatha.
No, is it
No,
here? The
Kasra.
second letter. Second letter.
Kasra.
That is Kasra. What is the first case? What is the first case?
Wahaba. Yahaba. Fatha. Fatha.
Wahaba.
Yahabu.
Yahabud. The second letter, that is Fatah. Second is
Wajada. Yajidu. Fatha. Kasra.
Fatah Kasra. And third is
Warisa. Yarisu. Kasra. Kasra.
Kasra Kasra. So many we are, so in Haraka in Arabic, that is Fatah is Fatah Zabar, Kasra is Zair, and Damma, that is Pesh. So that Fatah 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 Kasra 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 R, or Zabar 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 Zair. And this is the third case there. Varisa Yarisu. Varisa mean he inherited. Varisu.
They inherited.
Varista.
You inherited.
Varisna.
Waristum. We inherited.
Yarisu.
He inherits or he will inherit.
Narisu.
We inherited or we will inherit.
La Taris.
Don't inherit.
Waris.
The one who inherited.
Virasa.
To inherit.
To inherit or inheritance. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So next, Azhar Bhai is there. Brother Azhar.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Azhar Bhai, can you please take this ayah?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وورث سليمان داود
Daud.
wa
Word by word.
and warisa he inherited Suleiman Daud
Sulaiman alayhi salam and Daud alayhi salam. Yeah.
Suleiman inherited Daud and Suleiman inherited Daud.
How would you say that Sulaiman is coming first? That's why.
No,
If Dauda is in the middle and Sulaimanu is at the end, then meaning will be changed.
Suleiman is a marfu status and
This is very important. This is what yesterday Brother Shahbaz was explaining us. This is related to that. This is marfu mean there is dhamma, pesh. Pesh. The subject is normally that is pesh. I will explain in this one. And the uda, that is subject. The zabar, the mansub. The zabar is always object and marfu is mean the subject. So Varitha Sulaimanu Dauda. Sulaiman and Sulaiman inherited Daud. This is because of Pesh. But if we change Daudu and Sulaimana, then what will be the translation?
and Dawood
Yeah.
inherited Suleiman.
This is not just for understanding, we are just changing that the pesh, this is damma, inherited the nasab. This is, so pesh, this is subject, and this is zabar, this is mansub. So this is subject always marfu. Sulaiman inherited Dawood. Thank you very much, Azhar bhai. I think we have to go for practice. In practice session, please also practice the summary of Bab Mithal and then other example of this. Just